Hello guys, welcome to the Game Nerds U9 channel, and today is the big reveal of my face. What is up? Yeah, so what we're doing, we're gonna make a bouncy egg, because I didn't know what else to do for face reveal. Wow. So first what you want to do is you want to put on this mask just in case if it smells kind of weird. So then if if you can't really stand some things, then you'll want to use one of these. But since it's all quiet, we won't be needing that today now, will we? All right, so now we'll need this. Perfect. I don't know why we need these, but okay. Then you want to grab a egg, and then just hopefully that worked. We'll want to dump this in, and sometimes you gotta use these reasons, but I'll see you tomorrow because this needs to last 24 hours. So, just to check up, after like 1 minute, because I'm very impatient, we realized the egg cracked because, I'm pretty sure I heard a crack and we found it. So, it's right there, and it's spilling something out, which isn't good. So, we'll need to maybe work on that. And this time, actually, I'll see you tomorrow. This will go very bad.